Intro, welcome to Auto Plus. Welcome back to Auto Plus, your trusted destination for in-depth motorcycle and scooter reviews, where innovation, performance, and real-world usability come together. Today, we're diving into one of Yamaha's most ambitious and forward-thinking machines, the Yamaha TMAX Tricity 4-. This is not just another maxi scooter, it's a bold statement about the future of urban mobility and high-performance commuting. By combining the legendary DNA of the Yamaha TMAX with the groundbreaking three-wheel Tricity technology, Yamaha has created a machine that challenges traditional ideas of stability, control, and riding confidence. Whether you're a daily commuter, a long-distance tourer, or simply a rider who wants cutting-edge engineering with premium comfort, the Yamaha TMAX Tricity 4 promises something truly unique. In this video, we'll explore its legacy, design philosophy, engine performance, advanced technology, real-world riding experience, pricing, and finally, whether this revolutionary scooter is worth your money. The legacy of Yamaha TMAX Tricity 4. The Yamaha TMAX has long been considered the gold standard in the maxi scooter world, earning a reputation for blending motorcycle-like performance with scooter-level convenience. Since its introduction, the TMAX has consistently pushed boundaries, offering strong engines, sporty handling, and premium build quality that appealed to riders who wanted more than just a basic commuter. On the other hand, Yamaha's Tricity lineup introduced a new concept of leaning multi-wheel technology, focusing on enhanced stability and rider confidence without sacrificing the joy of riding. The Yamaha TMAX Tricity 4 represents the natural evolution of these two iconic ideas, merging the sporty heritage of the TMAX with the advanced front-end stability of the Tricity system. This model reflects Yamaha's vision of the future, where safety, performance, and practicality coexist seamlessly. It is designed for riders who demand innovation without compromising excitement, proving that scooters can be just as thrilling and technologically advanced as high-end motorcycles. Design and aesthetic. From the very first glance, the Yamaha TMAX Tricity 4 stands out as a futuristic and aggressive machine that looks ready to dominate both city streets and highways. The sharp, angular bodywork is unmistakably TMAX, with bold lines, a muscular stance, and a premium finish that immediately signals its high-end positioning. The dual front-wheel setup adds a dramatic visual presence, giving the scooter a wider, more planted look that not only enhances stability but also reinforces its advanced engineering. LED lighting is used throughout, with sleek headlights and taillights that give the scooter a modern and upscale appearance, especially at night. The aerodynamic design isn't just for show, it improves wind protection and overall efficiency during high-speed cruising. Yamaha has paid close attention to ergonomics, ensuring that the seat, footboards, and handlebars offer a natural and comfortable riding position. Every detail, from the sculpted panels to the high-quality materials, reflects Yamaha's commitment to craftsmanship and innovation.